Do you have a Facebook page you no longer want? Leaving it online can risk your privacy, confuse followers, keep your digital footprint messy. In this video, I'll show you the exact 2026 method to delete or deactivate your Facebook page permanently, including how to avoid automatic reactivation. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we turn casual Facebook users into smart digital managers. Deleting a page seems simple, but Facebook hides the proper steps. Follow this tutorial to safely deactivate or delete your page. Protect your data and remove unwanted digital clutter. Step 1. Open Facebook menu. Open your Facebook app. Tap the menu three-dot icon. Scroll down and tap Pages. Step 2. Select your page. Choose the Facebook page you want to delete. Open that page. Step 3. Open Page Settings. Tap the Page menu three-dot icon. Go to Settings and Privacy. Settings. Step 4. Access your information. Scroll down and tap Your information. Then press Access and Control. This is the hub where you manage page ownership, deletion, or deactivation. Step 5. Deactivate page. Tap Deactivate page. Press Continue. Facebook will ask you to choose a reason why you want to deactivate your page. Step 6. Choose reason. Select a reason. For example, I have a privacy concern. Then press Continue. Before we dive in, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for social media hacks, account management guides, Facebook and Instagram growth tutorials, and stay updated with the latest 2026 features. Step-by-step guide. Step 7. Decide reactivation option. Facebook will ask if you want to automatically reactivate your page after 7 days. You have two options. Reactivate automatically in 7 days. Do not reactivate automatically. Select Do Not Reactivate. Automatically, then press Continue. Step 8. Final confirmation. Press Done. Boom! Your Facebook page is now permanently deactivated and will not reactivate automatically. Note, you can optionally download your page data before deactivation. Once deactivated permanently, all posts, media, and followers will no longer be accessible. Pro tips: always download important content before deactivation. Inform your followers if needed. Deactivation is the safest way to remove a page without leaving traces. Use connected profiles to migrate your content to Instagram or WhatsApp if needed. Now you know the 2026 official method to delete or deactivate your Facebook page permanently. Remember, managing your Facebook pages is about control, privacy, and digital cleanliness. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, share with other page owners. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie, because here we don't just teach Facebook, we empower creators to take control.